Adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your back, neck and spine in one straight line. Close your eyes. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Observe your whole body from head to toe. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Feel your surrounding. Be aware of your surrounding. Be aware of the room. Be aware of the objects in the room. Be aware of the air circulating around you. Be aware of the noise around you. Internalize your awareness to your eyebrow center. Focus your attention on your eyebrow center. Visualize a beautiful, brilliant, one-pointed light in your eyebrow center. By visualizing the brilliant, bright light, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Om. Slowly take your hands back. Bend forward and off on Mantu Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Evening all. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Keep your both the hands by the side of your thighs. Lean forward. Dog breathing. Dog breathing is good for asthma, bronchitis, anything related to your breathing problem and wheezing. Lean forward. Keep your both the hands by the side. Put your tongue out and start the practice. Relax. Relax in Shishankasana. Slowly come to Sthiti. Again, press your stomach on your thighs. Fold your hands. Keep your both the hands by the side. Press your stomach. Thoracic breathing, rabbit breathing. This is also good for asthma, bronchitis, and wheezing problem. Anything related to your breathing problem. Put your tongue in between your teeth. Look forward. Thoracic breathing. Press your stomach on your thighs. Relax. Relax in Shishankasana. Slowly come to Sthiti. Shishankasana breathing. Take your right hand back. Hold your right pulse with your left hand. Shishankasana breathing. Again, this is also good for anything related to your breathing problem. Breathe in, stretch back, open your chest, fill your lungs with lot of oxygen. Breathe out, bend from your spine. Breathe in, up, stretch back. Breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax in Shishankasana. Slowly come up, bend sideways, stretch your hands, hold, be there, normal breathing, stretch, feel the stretching from your waistline, close your ears with your biceps and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, center, exhale, bend to opposite side, fold your elbow and stretch your left hand, close your ears with your biceps, normal breathing, feel the stretching from your waistline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale, up center, exhale, relax. Slowly raise your buttocks. Take your both the hands back. Interlock your fingers. Keep your crown of your head down and rise. Interlock your fingers and stretch your hands up. Naman Pranamasana. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come up. Those who can do variation to Naman Pranamasana, they can try. Otherwise, hold the same variation. One, this one. If you can't stretch your hands, keep your hands down. Those who can do variation 2, slowly keep your both the hands by the side. Rest your both the knees on your elbow. Slowly lift your right leg. If possible, lift your left leg. Balance. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you want, take wall support. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly release your legs and then relax your in Shashankasana. Slowly come up. Supta Vajrasana. Those who have pillow like this, just bring it. Those who can't do, they can take the support of a pillow. Okay? Small pillow or big pillow, whichever the pillow you have, just keep it. You can keep as 2 or 3 pillows under your back and slowly go back and rest. Like this. You have to lift your chest up and keep your crown of your head down. Fold your hands. Rest your palm on your thighs. Okay? When you want to come up, take your ankle support. Those who can do without pillow support, go for it. So, step by step, fold your elbows. If you want, you can keep a pillow. Otherwise, go directly. Supta Vajrasana. Chest up. Keep your hands on your thighs. Fold. Open your chest. Normal breathing. Roll your head inside. Keep your crown of your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divan pillow idrunu parvagilla itkobodu. Dole dinna. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Feel the stretching on your thighs. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Take your time. 19 and 20. Do not stretch your legs and come up. Okay? Hold your ankle and slowly come up. Otherwise, you'll hurt your knees. Slowly again, sit in Virasana. Okay? This is very good for rheumatism, arthritis, gout problem. So what you need to do, you have to rest your buttocks on the ground. This is how it looks. So you have to sit like this. I know it hurts your knee and your feet. So in that case, what you need to do, just take a pillow support, rest your buttocks on your pillow. Sit on the pillow so that you feel more comfortable. You can keep 1 or 2 pillows under your buttocks and sit comfortably. Try to sit. If it is not possible, if you have knee pain, do not try. But this is very good for knee pain, arthritis, and for gout problem. Okay, Virasana. Hold. In Chin Mudra, keep your back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe, breathe. If it is hurting, breathe. Exhale. 9. That is how it releases the tension in your muscles. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come to Vajrasana. I know it is hurting, right? Okay, then go to Supta Vajrasana. Sorry, Virasana. So again, you have to lie down on your back. Either use pillow. First I'll show you without pillow. Okay? Those who can do without pillow, just go back and stretch your hands. So you don't have to lift your chest. Lie down flat. Stretch your hands back. If it is not possible, take a pillow, flat pillow, or you can keep 2-3 pillows. Okay, 2 pillows is good enough. So you push in between your thighs. This way, one more you can use. Slowly lie down on your back and stretch your hands. You can rest your back on the pillows. Okay, you feel more comfortable. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale. Slowly catch hold of your ankles. Bend your elbow and slowly come up. So don't stretch your legs and come up. It will hurt your knee. Okay? Slowly release your posture. Stretch both the legs forward. Flap it. I know it's hurting. Just flap it. You'll be fine. Hug your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fold it upward in Ardha Padmasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Fold it backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly keep your feet together. Now Sanchalanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch forward nicely. 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Separate your legs to your mat width. Chakki Chalanasana. Interlock your fingers. Your palm should be equal to your eyes level. Okay, do not bend your elbows. Rotate clockwise, turn your stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse. 10, stretch nicely. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly fold your right leg. Keep your right foot on your left elbow. Take your right hand around your right knee. Interlock your fingers. Keep your left foot on the ground, firmly on the ground. Do not move your left leg. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist to your right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Opposite leg. Fold your left leg. Keep your left foot on your right elbow. Take your left hand around your left. Interlock your fingers. Keep your right leg firmly on the ground. Twist your spine to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly fold your right leg. Keep your right foot closer to your cranium. Your toes facing your stomach. Parivrtta Janu Shirsasana. Inhale, rise both the hands up. Stretch your spine. Exhale, lengthen your spine and bend forward. You can just hold this much, okay, and push your body back and look forward. If you think you can bend little more, bend your elbow and keep your forehead. Touch your forehead to your left knee. Hold. 1, otherwise just hold this much. 2, 3, normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep exhaling. Push your stomach in. Automatically you will be able to bend forward. 9, that is the trick. 10, 11, 12. Every exhalation, push your stomach in. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, up center. Exhale, relax. Slowly push your left leg. Do not change your leg. Push your left leg, left side. Parivrtta Janu Shirsasana. All the variations of Janu Shirsasana. These are all very good for ladies. It is good for your pelvic floor. Okay. It will open up your pelvic floor. Inhale. Rise both the hands up. Exhale. Bend laterally towards your left hand side. Hook your left big toe with your 2 fingers. Bend your elbow and hold. Catch hold of your toes and observe the ceiling. Close your ears with your biceps. 1. Feel the stretching from your waistline. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, breathe, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale, up center. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Keep your chest and chin down and hold. If it is not possible, just hold this much. 1, 2, otherwise stretch your hand sideways, your toes facing towards you, chin and chest chin down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your navel should rest on your heel. 10, 11 or perineum. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Push your chest forward. 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, up. Exhale, relax. Slowly bring your left leg forward. Tuck your left leg inside. Fold your right leg inside. Fold your left leg upward position. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Okay, good for diabetes. Keep your left foot by the side of your right knee. Slowly keep your left hand at the back. Twist your spine. Then hug your leg, left leg tightly with your right hand. Twist your spine and observe your left hand side shoulder. 1, 2. If you have flexibility, then you can twist your hand around your left leg and twist. Observe your left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to Gomukhasana. Fold your both the legs. Keep your both the heels closer to your thighs. Make sure your both the knees are on one line. Press it. Again, good for diabetes. Press your both the feet by the side. Since your left leg is up, raise your right hand up. Take your left hand back, fold it and interlock your fingers. If you can't interlock, so this is how it should look. If you can't lock, you can just hold your hair or handkerchief. Okay? Just hold it this way. If it is not reaching till here, just hold a handkerchief like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your right elbow facing the ceiling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale. Rise your right hand up. Exhale. Down. Stretch your left leg forward. Again, fold it. Interlock your fingers under your left foot. Inhale. And then exhale. And touch your forehead to your knee. Hold. If you can't reach your toes, catch hold of your calf muscle. Make sure your left knee is straight. 1, 2. Hold with normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch both the legs forward. Flap it. We'll move on to the opposite side. Fold your left leg. Janu Shirsasana. Right, opposite side. Rise. Fold your left leg. Keep your heel closer to your perineum. Your right toes facing towards you. Inhale. Rise your both the hands up. Exhale. Slowly stretch your spine and bend forward. Hold either this way. Push your body back. Otherwise, hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, up, exhale, relax. Slowly stretch your right leg right side. Push your body forward. Keep your left heel closer to your perineum. Opposite side, Parivrtta Janu Shirsasana. Inhale, rise both the hands up. Exhale, bend laterally towards your right hand side. Hook your big toe with your two fingers and take your left hand from sideways and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel the stretching on your waistline. 9, 10, 11, 12. Bend your elbow. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, up center. Rise both the hands up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Keep your chest and chin down. Hook your big toe or catch hold of your ankle. If you are not able to touch, just hold this much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, up, center. Exhale, slowly push your left leg under your right thigh and bring your right leg, fold it and bring your right foot by the side of your left thigh. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Keep your right hand at the back. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Inhale and then exhale. Twist it around your right leg and observe your right hand side. If you can't do, just hug your leg. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, relax. Slowly hold your right leg properly. Make sure both the knees are on one line. Gomukhasana, opposite side. Make sure both the heels are by the side of your thighs. Press your knee. Since your right leg is up, rise your left hand up. Inhale, exhale, fold it, take your right hand back, interlock your fingers. This side, for some people, it's very difficult. What you need to do, you just take your left hand support, pull it up and interlock and hold. 1, otherwise fold a handkerchief or towel. 2, 3, back straight, look forward, your left elbow facing the ceiling. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. This Gomukhasana posture is very good for cough muscle cramp. See, during winter, many people face that, right? And during pregnancy also, many people will have cough muscle cramp. When they get up in the morning, you'll get a catch and it is very severe pain and the whole day you'll have that pain. So if you start sitting like this, you can get rid of cough muscle cramp. Okay? So we'll move on to next. Stretch your right leg forward. Take your both the hands under your right foot. Interlock your fingers. If you think it's too long, then you can catch hold of your cough muscle. Inhale, rise it up and touch your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. 9. Do not hold your breath. 10, 11. Don't tense your muscles. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch both the legs forward. Flap it. Rock yourself for 20 counts. 21st round, come to standing posture. Okay? Yes. Start rocking front and back. Those who have back pain, do not rock. Do sideways rolling. So, Guna, you can just do side and single leg rising. Start. 1. If you think you have more flexibility, practice Dhruta Halasana. Senior practitioners, practice Dhruta Halasana. Stretch your legs. Okay? If you are bored of rocking, you can practice this way. Just observe once. Watch your space, watch your head. Do not bump against the wall. Watch it carefully. Continue, don't stop. 21st round, without taking floor support, you need to come to the standing posture. Next practice, we'll move on to Surya Namaskar. That is Bihar style of Surya Namaskar. You try to practice to get up without taking floor support. Relax for a few seconds. Drink some water. Do Mukadauti. Mukadauti will help you to get rid of the tiredness immediately. So you need to separate your legs, rest your palm on your thighs. Inhale through nose. Blow it from your mouth. While blowing, contract your stomach. Whenever you become breathless, you need to exhale through mouth. One blast of air through mouth, you can get rid of your tiredness. Even while doing Surya Namaskar also, if you feel breathless, immediately do not inhale through mouth. Only exhalation is allowed through mouth. Immediately you can feel the relaxation and you will regain the energy. It will boost your energy level. Stand in the front of your mat. Join your legs. Join your legs. Join your palm. Bihar style of Surya Namaskara. Your thumb in between your chest. Relax and calm down your mind. Scan your whole body from head to toe. Close your eyes and observe your breath. Gently open your eyes. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Stretch back. Open your hands. Open your fingers. Your palm facing the ceiling. Relax your neck muscles. Don't tense your neck. Stretch back. Padahastasana. Bend from your spine. Keep your both the hands by the side of your feet. If you can't reach the floor, you can just hold this much. If you have back pain, don't try bending too much forward. Ashvasanchalana. Extend your right leg back. Inhale. Open your chest. Push your tongue down. Keep your middle finger on the ground, if possible. Parvatasana. Take your left leg back. Stretch your spine. Stretch your tailbone towards the ceiling. Keep your heels down. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Keep your chest and chin down. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Slide forward, stretch your spine, look up, bend your elbow. Keep your toe balls on. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Raise your buttocks. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. Padahastasana. Exhale. Bring your right leg forward with your left leg. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale. Relax. Second round. Another half round. Pranamasana. Inhale and exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Stretch back. Open your fingers. Your palm facing the ceiling. Open your chest nicely. Breathe normal. Padahastasana. Bend from your spine. Extend your left leg back. Ashwasanchalana. Inhale and hold. Make sure your knee is not passing your toes. Parvatasana. Right leg back. Stretch your spine. Push your head down. Lock your chin. Exhale. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale and then exhale completely. Your elbows facing back. Keep your clothes at your rib cage. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Slide forward, stretch your spine, look up. Bend your elbow. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Rise your buttocks. Push your head down. Right leg forward, Ashwasanchalana. Inhale and hold. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Stretch back. Pranamasana. Exhale and relax. Second round. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Padahastasana. Exhale. Right leg Ashwasanchalana. Parvatasana. Exhale. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Left leg Ashwasanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward. Ashwasanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg Ashwasanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg Ashwasanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Left leg Ashwasanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward, Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg Ashva Sanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Left leg Ashva Sanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward, Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg Ashva Sanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Left leg Ashva Sanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Right leg Ashva Sanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Padahastasana. Left leg back Ashva Sanchalana. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg Ashva Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttana. Pranamasana. Hasta Uttana. Stretch back. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg back. Ashva Sanchalana. Inhale and hold. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parvatasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward Ashva Sanchalana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hasta Uttana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pranamasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hasta Uttana. Inhale and hold. Another half round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back Ashva Sanchalana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parvatasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hasta Uttana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pranamasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Relax in Sthiti Tadasana. Once you are completely relaxed, relax in Shavasana. We'll practice, last two practice, Sarvangasana and Matsyasana. Those who can't do Sarvangasana, go for Setubandhasana. Sarvangasana is good for all the organs. Sarva Angaku Asana is Sarvangasana. So you have to practice this regularly to get rid of lot of health issues. These days, hormonal imbalance, menstrual disorder, thyroid, respiratory system problem, and reproductive system problem, and digestive system. Many problems we are all facing due to our lifestyle. So this one particular asana, that is Sarvangasana, Sarva Angaku Asana, Sarvangasana. So adana now daily at least 1 minute to practice madidre adu tumba benefit agutte. You can get rid of all these health issues. Thyroid iddavrige baala upayoga agutte. Matte menstrual problem iroru, reproductive system problem iroru, hormonal imbalance iroru idನ್ನ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವಾಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೇತುಬಂಧಾಸನ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಆಸನ ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗಾಸನ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಯುವರ್ spine. Okay, so once you feel you're relaxed, tuck your t-shirt inside and go for it. You have to do this asana relaxingly. Do not tense any of your muscles. If you can't hold for 1 minute, it is okay. You are preparing your body for it, right? So don't tense your muscles. So go for Setubandhasana. Those who can't do it, interlock your fingers and rise your buttocks. The more you rise your buttocks, chest comes closer to your chin. That is also good for thyroid. Otherwise, go for Sarvangasana. I'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, breathe, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, breathe, 54, 55, 56, observe your breath, 57, 58, normal breathing, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 17. Very good. Fold your knees slowly and then release your buttocks and release your legs. Very nice. Complementary last asana, fish pose or Matsyasana. Put Padmasana or straight your legs, whichever is convenient. Go for it. If you can put Padmasana, hold it. Otherwise, straight your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open your chest nicely. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly release your Padmasana, release your head and relax it. Shavasana. This is also good for diabetes. So you need to practice. Prevention is better than cure. We have it or not, let's practice before in hand, right? So whatever the practices we have done so far, just try to recollect. Close your eyes, wipe your sweat, make a final adjustment to your clothing. Do not move your body. Your hands couple of inches away from your body. Close your eyes and mouth gently. Normal breathing. And try to recollect the practices we have done so far. This is the way you relax your mind and body. So whenever you don't get sleep during night, you can just recollect the activities you have done from the time of getting up till you go to your bed. So you need to recollect the things and activities. Whom did you meet? What did you do? What did you eat? And all those things, if you start recollecting, automatically you will fall asleep. This is the one way of relaxing your mind. Try to recollect the practices we have done so far. It calms your mind, cools your body. Try to synchronize your breathing with your abdominal movement. This will improve your memory power also and your concentration also. Your mind becomes very focused. Be aware of your breath also. Slowly bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Sit back in any meditative posture. Both the hands, chin mudra. Today, since it is little cool weather, we'll practice Bhastrika Pranayama. Active inhalation, active exhalation. Both are active. 50 rounds. Start the practice. Only through nose, keep inhaling and exhaling. It is 100% heating pranayama, good for Vata, Pitta, Kapha management. Point of concentration is on rectile muscle and abdominal muscle. Exhale completely and slowly hold your knees and lock your chin and do Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. All the three bandhas, lock all the three. That is throat, your abdomen and genitals. It becomes Mahabandh. Exhale and then lock it. When you want to inhale, release the lock and then inhale through nose. Come to normal breathing. This mudras and bandhas will help you to take care of your basic instincts. Next practice, we'll move on to Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra. Go for it. 1:1 ratio. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Again, inhale through right. Exhale through left. That becomes 1 round. Continue for another 8 more rounds. Don't tense your muscles. Normal and natural breathing. No sound. Effortless breathing. Back 100% straight. This is also good for weight loss. Good for your memory power, concentration, BP, diabetes. This complete workout or good for complete health issues. A to Z health issues, I can say. So ಇದೊಂದು ರಾಮಬಾಣ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ರಾಮಬಾಣ ತರ ಮದ್ದು ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಧಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಧಾರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದು. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೆಡ್, ಮಲಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಶೆಕೆ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್. Once you're done, relax and stop the practice. It is very simple pranayama, but it has lot of benefits, all free of cost, just by doing alternate nostril breathing. It's all up to you how you want to take this practice. You have to adopt this in your lifestyle. Make it a part of your lifestyle. Relax and stop the practice. Observe your both the nadis. You have balanced your nadis. Scan your whole body from head to toe. Let's wind up the session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Rub your palm. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening. See you tomorrow. This palming will help you to boost your energy. It gives a good glow for your skin. That is the reason we do palming every now and then. Okay. Yes.